My autograph. Learn to write your name in cursive. An autograph is a person's signature that's written by hand. It's unique to each person. Artists sign their artwork with their signature. Can you guess these 5 signatures? Whose autograph is this? If you guess Walt Disney, you're correct. Walt and his brother Roy started Disney Studios. Whose autograph is this? If you said the pop singer and songwriter Taylor Swift, you're correct. Whose autograph is this? If you said Michael Jackson, you're correct. His autograph sells for thousands of dollars. Whose autograph is on this baseball? If you said New York Yankees baseball player Babe Ruth, then you're correct. He was the first batter to hit 500 homers in a career. His autographed baseball bat, seen here, sold for over $1 million. Whose signature is at the bottom of this painting? If you said the Spanish artist Pablo Picasso, you're correct. Signatures on artwork help to authenticate them and show that the artwork is finished. This signature is on a painting in the National Gallery of Art in Washington, D.C. In this painting by James Trumbull, what important document are these men working on? If you said the Declaration of Independence, then you're correct. The 5 men pictured here are Roger Sherman, Benjamin Franklin, Thomas Jefferson, John Adams, and Robert Livingston. I learned this fun fact. When someone asks you for your John Hancock, it means they want your signature. And that's because John Hancock was one of the officials who signed the Declaration of Independence. He became famous for signing the Declaration with a far larger signature than everyone else. Check it out below. Here are the suggested steps for making your autograph. You may need to pause this slide to review the steps more deeply. Step 1, practice your signature. You can do this with your first and/or your last name. Then go ahead to step 2 and experiment. Make your autograph your own by adding something original, a little bit of flair. Step 3, if you can, share your autograph with everyone on Google Classroom. And if you're ready for an additional challenge, go on to step 4, where you will turn your signature into bubble cursive letters. Use your new autograph on your future art or to sign autographs for your fans. You can practice making your first and your last name or even just letters of your name on these pages. These sheets can be printed from Google Classroom. If you do not have a printer at home, then you can just use regular lined paper. And if you don't have lined paper at home, use a straight edge and draw your own parallel lines. Start with this practice sheet, the one that has the alphabet written out in cursive. And I like to just circle some of the letters in my name and start practicing them. I'm using my first name here, which is Karen, because it's a little bit shorter than my long last name of a Clarinol. I also really try to take a breath and see how smooth I can get my letters. Practice your first or your last name on this practice sheet. A few tips. First of all, cursive letters should be connected to each other. Second, cursive writing always ends with an upswing. And third, try to get your uppercase letters to touch the top line and your lowercase letters to touch the dotted center line. Now that you've had some practice, it's time to experiment. Make your autograph your own by adding something original, a little bit of flair. You can do this by changing the slant of your writing. You can separate your first initial from the rest of your name. You can even just use your initials. Be creative. The more you practice, the more fluid your cursive writing will become. If you're up for another challenge, watch the next 5 slides. First, write your name in cursive with a pencil. Step 2, outline your name with 2 lines. Step 3, trace the outlines with a dark color. Can be crayon or marker, whatever you've got. Step 4, erase the inside lines and all the pencil. Step 5, fill in your name with color or some patterns, whatever you'd like to do to make it your own and to make it pop.